Yo guys, welcome to our video today again. Today we're going to talk about something also very interesting. It's going to be a short video, but very informative. And the video is about cancer. Uh, the title is going to be Early Warning Signs of Cancer. Cancer actually, especially here in Africa, is a big problem. It's a pandemic, and it has become very common nowadays with our people now. So I thought it wise we share, especially because of the pandemic of the cancer. I don't know about your country, but here in Kenya, especially where I do this video from, we have a lot of challenges, or we get to meet a lot of patients with the cancer things. And in formative years, we used to have a lot of cancer in the old people, but nowadays, even as much as kids of 3 years, they have serious issues with cancer. And this is evidenced when you visit hospitals which have oncology areas. Oncology is where the patients of cancer are taken care of, and you come really to understand that this thing is a very big issue nowadays with our people. So, on early warning signs of cancer, I thought it was that we get to know these signs early so that we can take caution as early as possible. Early warning signs of cancer can vary depending on the type of cancer, but there are some common symptoms that may indicate the presence of the disease. It's essential to note that experiencing these symptoms does not necessarily mean you have cancer, but it is essential to pay attention to changes in your body and seek medical attention if you notice any concerns about it. So that I'm going to give you some of the early warning signs of cancer, guys. So number one is about unexplained weight loss, where you weighed 80 kgs, but suddenly you are at 260s. So losing weight without trying, where you are not even involved in diet management and also exercise, but you are losing weight which is unexplainable. So it is with the significance and also lack of explanation can be a symptoms of various types of cancer. Number two is about fatigue. When you always feel fatigued, persistent fatigue or tiredness that does not improve with rest can be a sign of several cancers, including leukemia, colon cancer, and pancreatic cancer. So, and also when we have persistent pain, ongoing pain that does not resolve, particularly it is localized to a specific area or does not have an apparent cause, may be a symptom of cancer. For example, persistent headache could indicate brain tumors. For example, persistent headaches could indicate brain tumors. Persistent abdominal pain may indicate gastrointestinal cancers. So it is very essential that when you experience this localized pain, which does not go even with painkillers, that you get to see your healthcare provider, because that can be a warning sign of some problem. Changes in bowel or bladder habits. So changes in bowel habits such as constipation or diarrhea, or bladder habits such as frequent urination or blood in the urine can be a symptom of colorectal or bladder or prostate cancer. Also, very important to note is about unexplained bleeding. Unexplained bleeding or bruising, such as blood in the stool or urine, abdominal vaginal bleeding, bleeding from the gums, can be a symptom of various cancers, including the cervical, bladder, colorectal, or blood cancers, guys. So, and also number six is about persistent. When you have that persistent cough, you are coughing a lot, or hoarseness. Persistent cough or hoarseness or difficulty in swallowing that does not improve over time could be a symptom of lung, throat, or esophageal cancer. So that is very important that you get to check it. Number seven is about changes in skin, where changes in size, shape, or color of moles or skin lesions or development of new abnormalities could be a sign of, guys, it is not good. It can be a sign of skin cancer. Difficulty in swallowing can also be another sign, where difficult swallowing, also known as dysphagia, can be a symptom of throat or esophageal cancer. Also, when we have lumps or a thickening, new lumps, bumps, or masses that develop anywhere in the body can be a sign of an impending problem, where we have when we have this, especially in the breasts, when we have this in the testicles, when we have this in the lymph nodes, when we have this in soft tissues, when we have this also all over the body, should be evaluated by a healthcare professional to find really what is happening with you on that particular point. Number 10 is about persistent or indigestion or heartburn, where you're always complaining of that cough, where you're always you're having that heartburn, you're having discomfort in the abdomen, which does not improve with over-the-counter medication, should be a symptom of stomach or esophageal cancer. So it's very important that remember that these symptoms can be caused with other conditions other than cancer. However, if you experience any of these symptoms, especially if this persistent or worsen over time, it is crucial, guys, to see your healthcare professional for evaluation and a proper diagnosis, because early detection and treatment can significantly improve the outcomes for many types of cancers. So, guys, be warned. Take this video very seriously about your life, because these things can affect the quality of life and can lead us to lose a loved one or you to lose your life. The channel is Nazvin. Kindly, if you have not subscribed, I want to encourage you to subscribe, share it widely, and also give the nice comment below. Let me know how through your DMs. Let me know how you want us to do the step you want us to take this channel. Well, in our journey to 10,000 subscribers, guys, welcome, and also I want to welcome you to our next video. Otherwise, guys, I love you so much.